Hello, this is Jennifer again, and today we're going to learn about integers. In the integer unit, there's something called a positive integer and a negative integers. For positive, as number increase, they get bigger, but on the other hand, as the negative numbers increase, the value becomes smaller. By the way, positive numbers can be counted as just normal numbers. At last, there's something called an absolute value, where if you put any positive or negative integers, it comes out as positive integer. Just like in the example, absolute value of negative 9 becomes 9. And the absolute value of 9 could be also 9. Now let's solve some example questions. The first question is putting the missing numbers. Since the missing number is between negative 23 and negative 21, it should be negative 22. The next missing number is between negative 21 and negative 19. Therefore, it should be negative 20. The next question is simple, just like the first question. Graph 1, negative 1, and 4. Since the positive 5 is already there, you can see that positive 4 is behind 5. Also for 1 and negative 1, 0 is there for us, which means left of 0 is negative 1 and the right is the positive. The third question is what we just went over. The absolute value of 49 is simply 49. Second to last question is the greatest to least. Since there is negative sign at 11 and 12, the greater the smaller. Therefore, the answer should be 6 and then negative 11 and last negative 12. The last question is filling the missing numbers. Since the sequence of this chart is having to add 20 as it grows. Therefore, after negative 40, it is negative 20. Since you calculate negative 40 plus 20, after negative 20, it would be 0 because negative 20 plus 20 is 0. Thank you once again, and I hope you learned a lot from this lesson.